In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Mailchimp with Monday.com. First, make sure you're signed into your Monday.com account and have permission to add apps to the workspace you'll be using. From your Monday.com home, look toward the top of the screen for the small puzzle-shaped icon. That's the Apps Marketplace. Click it to open the place where you can add trusted tools to your account. Inside the marketplace, you'll see featured apps and categories, but to move quickly, use the search bar. Type Mailchimp, and you'll see the Mailchimp integration appear. Select it to open the app page. This is a native integration, which means it's built to work smoothly with Monday.com. On this page, you can review a quick summary of what the integration does and the kinds of workflows it supports. When you're ready, click Use App. You'll be asked where you want to install it. Choose the workspace where your marketing or operations board lives so the integration lands in the right place for your team. Next, pick the specific board you want to connect. Choosing the correct board matters because your items, groups, and columns there will be the ones the integration references. After you've selected your workspace and board, click Add App to confirm. You'll be taken back to your board with the integration panel open. Here you can choose what you need from the available options. Think of these as ready-made workflows tailored for syncing key details between Monday.com and Mailchimp. Pick the option that best matches your process, whether you're creating items from new subscribers, updating contacts based on board changes, or pulling campaign activity into your board. If you're prompted to connect your Mailchimp account, follow the on-screen authorization so the two tools can talk to each other securely. Once you've identified the option that fits, click Use Template. This applies a pre-configured setup that you can fine-tune. If there are field mappings or settings to adjust, use column types that make sense for your data, like email, status, and date columns, so information stays clean and consistent. It's also helpful to give your integration a clear name so teammates know what it does at a glance. And that's it. You opened the marketplace, found the Mailchimp integration, added it to the right workspace and board, selected the workflow you needed, and applied the template. With that in place, your campaigns and contact data can flow into your Monday.com processes, keeping your team aligned without manual copy and paste.